morning, children. I hope all are fine, good, healthy. Okay, so in the last session, we have started the new chapter, the lesson 4, that is the Golden Balloon, written by Anthasia Gaetanidou. Okay, so half of the chapter I was explained in the last session, and today we will complete this chapter in this session. Okay, so before we start this chapter, already I taught half of the chapter in the last session. What was the main character of this lesson? Remember, the main characters are 10 round balloons, the long golden balloon, and the clown. So here, now I'll show you the textbook. Look at here. So here, there were once 10 balloons, 10 beautiful, shiny, colorful balloons. All of them same round shape. They were inflated and tied up with cords fastened to a base. You know, children, what is inflated? Inflated means filled with air or gas. Fastened means tied up safely. They were very beautiful and they even admired themselves in the mirror of the warehouse. Warehouse is a large building where goods may be stored before their distribution for the sale, means storage room. So one of the balloons looked down and saw something. What the balloon saw? "Hey, who are you?" shouted the balloon. Then, "I am a balloon too," it said from where it was lying on the floor. It was really different from the rest of them. Why? Because it was long in shape and very thin with a color unlike the others. Means it is a different color. That was almost gold and it was deflated. Deflated means empty. Inflated means filled with air or gas. Okay. The 10 balloons that was filled with air and gas, and this deflated balloon, the golden balloon, that was empty and abandoned on the floor. Abandoned means left behind. "Ha ha, listen guys, it's a balloon," said one of the tied balloons, and the rest of them burst into laughter. Means they all were laughing. In the warehouse, you know what happened? In the warehouse at the birthday party was going there. So there were 10 beautiful round shiny balloons tied up to a base in the warehouse and admiring themselves in the mirror, while one deflated long balloon lay on the floor of the warehouse. Okay? The round inflated balloons asked the deflated balloon that what it was, and when it replied that it was a balloon, they teased it. When the lying balloon was replied that I am also a balloon, the 10 beautiful shiny balloons were laughing at the golden balloon. Okay, and the golden balloon was very sad because all were laughing at him. Next, moving to the next line. The balloon became very sad. The golden balloon, which was lying on the floor, it became very sad. It looked at the balloons hanging directly above it and felt unhappy. Why had it created so different from the others? Okay. The golden balloon was very sad and asking that why I am different from the other balloon. Then what happened suddenly? Suddenly, the door opened and the clown entered the warehouse once again. Clown, Joker. Okay. So here we go. The clown is saying that here we go. He said loudly as if he was talking to the balloons. He took the tied balloons in one hand and with the other he took the long one from the floor. Okay. What he has done? He was telling to the other balloons that now we have to go to the birthday party. So in one hand In one hand he hold all the 10 balloons and in another hand he hold the golden balloon which was lying on the floor. So there was a birthday party going on. The kids had arrived early. There was loud music, a mouth-watering buffet, and presents scattered everywhere for the birthday boy. Buffet is a meal where several dishes are kept together on the table and you have to take it. Okay? Scattered means disorganized. It is not organized. So many presents were everywhere. It was disorganized on the for the birthday boy. The clown took hold of 2 drums and started beating them in a funny way in order to attract the children's attention. After that, what the clown did? He started playing the drum. Why? To attract the children's attention. So, my dear young friends, since I know how much you like games with pirates, I have a surprise for you. We will make Scots and pirate hat balloon for everyone. What the clown is saying that, okay, we are going to play some games and we will make the pirates hat and the Scots. Okay. But how? Wondered the round balloons as they looked at one another. They are asking that how we are going to make this, asking to the clown. The clown took the pouch. Pouch means small bag. The clown took the pouch and started taking out uninflated. So the clown took the pouch and started taking out uninflated balloons, blue, red, yellow, green and a whole bunch of other colors. Okay? With a special machine, he slowly began giving them shape. Okay? I am not alone. There are others like me. Look, shouted the golden balloon happily. Okay? So here, in this page, the clown entered the warehouse and took all the round balloons and the golden balloon to the place where a birthday party was on. He told the children at the birthday party that he would make Scots and pirate hat balloons for them. While the round balloons wondered how he would do that, the clown took out several uninflated balloons, means which was empty. Okay, so he took out from his pouch all the uninflated balloons. It was not inflated, it was uninflated, means empty. So, and giving the shape like the golden balloon one, and using them made all the sorts of things that the children wanted. So after seeing this, the golden balloon shouted. What the golden balloon said? I am not alone. I am not alone. There are others like me. Look, shouted the golden balloon happily. And the golden balloon was happy. The rest of the balloons could not believe their eyes, which was laughing at the golden balloon. They were seeing in surprise. Okay. Then the clown quickly bent them with skillful moves. Skillful means expert, and gave them beautiful shapes. And what the shape the clown given? Hats, bells, swords, flowers and puppies, and anything else any child wanted. See the picture, children, what the shape he has given. See the pictures. Okay, he has given the shapes: bells, squads, hats, flowers and puppies. So finally said the clown, this special golden balloon will be the squad of the birthday boy, who is the pirate leader today. Squad is a weapon, no? Huh? See here what he made with the golden balloon. This special golden balloon will be the squad of the birthday boy, who is the pirate leader today. You know what is pirate? Pirates are people who attack and rob ships at the sea. They called pirates. Okay, so he has made the squad of this golden balloon. Look at here, and he is giving to the birthday boy. So the golden balloon understood them that it was not alone and that it was the most important of them all, the most special one. So finally the clown made a squad of the golden balloon and gave it to the birthday boy, and the birthday boy was very happy, the pirate leader of the day. Then the golden balloon realized that it was not only alone but also the most important and special of all the balloons. Okay? So children, as our story is over, so I am going to give you some difficult words from the book. Okay? You can note down in your rough copy. The first word is inflated. Faster. Warehouse. Abandon. Deflated. Buffet. Skillful. Uninflated, and the last pouch. So here are some difficult words. You have to learn the spellings of these words, children. Okay. First word, inflated, fastened, warehouse, abundant, deflated, buffet, pirates, skillful, uninflated, and pouch. So learn all the spellings. You can note down in your rough copy and learn all the spellings of these words. Okay? I hope all have written this difficult words. So children, now I am going to summarize the story in short. So kindly pay attention here. So children, there were 10 beautiful round balloons tied to the base in the warehouse, admiring themselves in the mirror, while one deflated and a long golden balloon lay on the floor of the warehouse. The round inflated balloons asked the deflated golden balloon what it was, and when it replied that it was a balloon, they teased it and laughed at it. The golden balloon was very sad. Why? Because all 10 balloons were laughing at the golden balloon because it was lying on the floor and it was deflated. Okay, it was empty, very thin, not beautiful. So they all 10 balloons were laughing at the golden balloon. That's why the golden balloon was very sad. After that, a clown entered the warehouse. A clown entered the warehouse. Warehouse, storage room. Okay. And took all the round balloons and the golden balloon to the place where a birthday party was on. So there was a birthday party in the warehouse. So the clown entered the warehouse and took in one hand all the 10 balloons and in another hand the golden balloon which was lying on the floor. So he went where the birthday party was going on. He told the children at the party that he would make squads and pirate hat balloons for them. While the round balloons wondered how he would do that, the clown took out several uninflated balloons shaped like the golden balloon one. What happened? The clown was saying that we are going to play the game. Okay, we will make the squads, pirate hats and all. So in his pouch, a small bag, in his pouch he took all the uninflated balloons. Many different colors were there. Red, green, yellow, all the uninflated balloons he took out. So after that, it was similar at the golden balloon. All the balloons which he took out from his bag, it was similar with the golden balloon. Okay. So the golden one, and using them made all sorts of things that the children wanted. Finally, the clown made a squad of the golden balloon which was deflated. He made the squad with the golden balloon and gave it to the birthday boy, the pirate leader of the day. Pirate who robs ships at the sea. Okay. So the clown made the squad with the golden balloon and gave it to the birthday boy. Then the golden balloon realized that it was not only alone but also the most important and the special of all the balloons. So after seeing that, he was feeling so special. The golden balloon was feeling so special because the clown made the golden balloon squad. So that golden balloon was feeling very special and important, that I am also important part of this birthday party. So that golden balloon was also feeling special. okay, of all the balloons. So here children, our story is over. You know what the theme of the story is? The theme of the story is treating others with respect and not looking down on them despite them being different from us. Means we cannot tease anyone. Okay? So we have to see the quality of the person, of the thing. We cannot tease them. We cannot laugh at anyone. So that was the theme. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay. So in the next session, we will do the exercises and word meanings, question answers you will get on the school. Exercises and all we will do in the next session. Okay children. So that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.